I'll guide you through the exact steps to order your free, customizable cash card directly within the Cash App, unlocking instant spending access to your balance. If you're ready, click the like button. Let's get started. Launch the Cash App on your mobile device. Tap the card icon on the main screen to start the request process. Select Get Your Free Card, then tap Continue to confirm your request. With Cash App, you can customize your card design. Here's how. Follow the on-screen prompts to choose your design and color for the card. To personalize the look, select your unique signature or stamp. Now, confirm your mailing address, which ensures fast and secure delivery. Review the complete card details and tap Confirm to finalize the order. When the physical card arrives, return to the Card tab in the app. Finally, you need to activate your Cash Card. To learn how to activate your new Cash App Debit Card, click to watch this video. Remember to set your unique cash tag for purchases and enable security features like Lock Unlock to protect your funds. If you have any queries or input, comment below and I'll respond. Click this card for a curation of our best video tutorials and check the description below for more. Thanks for watching.